Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So in this video we will create a beautiful menu in Elementor. So at the end of this video you will be able to make any kind of menu you want. So let's start now. So at the end of this video you will be able to make this type of menu. Your menu includes a logo, a menu itself and a contact button. So let's start now. So guys, right now we have no menu, so let's create it. So click on edit with Elementor. So our page will be open in Elementor editor. Here we go. So we will add our menu on the top of the screen. So click on plus and click on add section and click one column. So our section is added. So we will give a background color to our section. So go to styles, click on background type and let's select the green color because this is my theme color. Cool. So we have added a background color to our menu. So I need to display a logo, a menu and a button. So I need 3 columns. So let's right click on the section and click on add new column. Cool. So I have 2 columns but I need one more. So right click again on the section and click on add new column. So here we go. So we have 3 columns. Now we will add our logo to our page. So go to elements, drag an image to your page. So choose the logo image. Here we go. Our logo is added. So let's align it to left. Cool. So let's resize my logo. Go to styles and give 120 pixel width. Now our logo looks good. So let me change the color of the logo to white because it matched to my theme. So go to CSS filters, click on edit and increase your brightness. Here we go. That's cool guys. So our logo color is changed now. Cool guys. So that's cool guys. So my logo is all set. So let's go. So let's move to. So let's add our menu. So let's add our menu. So before adding a menu to our page, so let's first of all let's create it. So go back to your dashboard. So give a name, top menu and click on create menu button. Let's add your pages into your menu. So in the pages section, select your pages and click on add to menu. So here we go. Your pages is added into your menu. So finally click on save menu button. Now we will select a location for our menu. So we will select primary menu as a top menu which will show up on the top of the page and click on save changes. That's all done. So let's go back to your page. Here we go. Cool. So our menu is created now. So we will add that menu into your page. So let's go to elements, search menu. I'm using the free version, so I'm using the free widget that is navigation menu. But if you want to use the pro widgets, then you need to buy a Elementor Pro version. So click the link in the description and you can buy your favorite Elementor Pro version from my link. Cool. So let's drag that navigation menu into your page. Here we go. So you can see that your menu is added into our page. Cool. So let's change the color of the menu item. So click on edit, go to styles and in under typography change the text color to white, which match to my website theme. Cool. So let's change the hover effect on item. So let me select the underline effect. So when hover over any item, so it will show underline effects, but the color is black right now, so we will change the color into white. Cool. So go to hover and in the link hover effect color select white. So here we go. So we have change the underline color to white. Cool. Perfect. So my menu is ready to go. So this is the time to add a button. So go back to elements and drag a button to your page. So let's align it to right. So first of all, I will change the text of the button. So I will change it to contact. So let me add the icon with the button. So I will add this icon. Click on insert. So I will move the icon after text and give it a little bit spacing between the text and the icon. Cool. So it looks beautiful. So let's style our button. We will change the color of the button. So go to styles. So let me change a color to green. So I will change the text color to light green and background color to white, which match my theme color. Cool. So it looks stunning right now. Cool. So let's change the hover effect. So I will reverse my color scheme. Instead of using the green, I will use the text color to white and the background color to light green. Here we go. Let's go to button. So it on hover over, so it change the color. Cool. So guys, we have already set up our menu that looks amazing and stunning, and you can create any type of menu you want with these same steps. Cool. So finally, we will add a little bit spacing at the top and the right hand side of the page. So go back to menu, edit it, go to advanced and add 20 pixel padding to our menu. So let me adjust my menu in one line. So drag it towards the left. Cool. Now it looks amazing. Cool. So in the same way we will adjust our button. So go back to button, edit it, go to advanced and give 20 pixel padding as well to adjust the position of the button. Cool. So let me readjust my logo. Go to styles and increase the max width. So we have increased our logo size as well, so it looks perfect. Alright guys, so that's where you can create your own menu according to your needs. So let's click on update to view our menu, click on hamburger icon and click on view page. That's amazing. It looks stunning. A beautiful menu is ready to go. So in the same way you can create any type of menu you want. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.